Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 21st, 2021. In this additional we have 7 extra Sudokus or puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku, second one 2-star Sudoku, third one 3-star Sudoku, the fourth one a 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars. The 1 star is this one. Then 1 binary puzzles. Those are the puzzles. Not interesting. Yes. Alright, so the first puzzle I will solve is a 3-star Sudoku. Let me position the camera. Yes. I only do 4 out of 7. Seven puzzles to solve is too much for me because today we have already 3 regular Sudokus. So I only do 4 of them. The 3 stars, the 4 stars I will do. Then I will do a tectonic and a binary. Alright. And the first one will be number 2992. 2992. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits as usual. Yes, 25. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright. For 3-star Sudoku or puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. It's my time limit. Alright. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? Let me see. Will be difficult. How about the number 6 in this column, 6 in the column next? So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there, 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 8. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. So the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes for you. It's easier than to follow. Yes. And then 1, 4, 7. Alright. We have a 2 in the last row, the 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 9. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. And we have a pair. 4 and a 1 in this row. 4 and a 1 in the last row. So the 4 and the 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 and a 6. This is 4 and a 1. Okay. Okay. 7. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Interesting. Interesting. Let me see. 8. Alright. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. I need a 6, 2. I think this part will be difficult. 9, 9, 9. 2, 2, 2. Yeah. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, we see there 7, so no 7s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Then which number can I pick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 8. Alright. 8. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8, it could be here, it could be there. We have an 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. Well, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this middle row. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There, and 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. 4 and 1. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. So we have a pair here, 4 and 1 in this column. So 1 digit left, 4 and 1. This box should be a 3. Alright. Yeah. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these two boxes. There are 3, no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 3. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Alright. And now, let me see. 2. 4 and a 1, 9 and a 6. 9. Okay. 9. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number here in the first column is the number 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing in the first column, and the 6 is missing. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. Well, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Okay, so we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9. Okay, I cannot continue with the 9 now. How about 1, 2? 1, 2. Alright. 8 and 2. 2 numbers left in this column. Those numbers are the 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8. And look, we have a 2 there. So no. I already have a 2 here. It should be the 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5, yeah. 8 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 8 and the 5. So the 2 goes there. Well. 6. 9. The 4 and the 1. 4 and the 1. 1 in this column. 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this row. So no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. So no 4 there. Here also a 4. So no 4 here. The only place for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. Here we have 4 and a 1. Those two missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 are missing. The third pair in this big square should be the 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5. Let me mark those two boxes again. A lot of pairs. Then 4, 6. Okay. 1 number left in the last column for the number 4. 1 number left in this column, the column next for the number 5. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. We have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Remember those two boxes, 6 and a 5. Now we have a 5 here in this big square, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. One box left in this row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 2. Then we have 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 4. One box left in this column for the number 1. One box left in this big square for the number 4. Two missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right, faster than the time limit of 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm very, very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku I will solve. See you then. Bye bye for now.